Hi, and welcome to Latin American Grid and the CI-PIRE Research Summit. Tell us about yourself and who you work with on your project.
Okay, my name is Eduardo Ruiz. I was a student of FIU and I moved to UCR, and my advisor is Professor Vagheris History, basically my FIU advisor. And I work in Yahoo Barcelona with Aris Jonis and Carlos Castillo, so I have two advisors over there.
So tell us about your research problem.
So my research problem is how to detect movement in microblogging activity. And the problem basically, the idea is there are hashtags that are going to change from location from one day to another. Right now they are probably in New York, tomorrow are in Boston. There are other topics that are kept in a fixed location, so we have to separate all of them. So here's an example. There's something that is a movement that started in the area of New York, probably in Connecticut, and then it moved to the north of the states. So how we can set a measure that define how much is moved. The second objective is then summarize this to say this movement comes from this particular counties to this particular state in a higher level instead of constantly saying all the points where these things appearing.
So tell us a little bit about the data and how you analyzed it in your methodology.
Okay, the data, we get it from the Firehouse. Yahoo have access to this data. To get it, we basically use a MapReduce process first to find the tweaks, find the topics or hashtags. Then we do a location of each tweet, using geolocation or the user location, and they provide. Then we create these images because we see this more as trying to see as a video. So we have two pictures. We want to see how much the picture changed. Then we measure the distance using this process that I'm going to go very far. And then we go with the summarization problem. That is trying first to find the hierarchy and then to try to select the best K points to represent this one.
And so what was the result that you found from analyzing this data?
Well, first when I was in the first part was trying to see if we really can detect movement. The first part we do is trying to track a storm. We say, let's see if this really is moving with a storm. There is something that is changing. For example, you have here the storm curve, and you can see what is the profile of the change in activity between one frame and another. Then we go after we have this part and say, okay, we can continue this work with text movement. Let's try to see between these two measures which one is better. Then with some user surveys between some students, we found that one of the models we're proposing here right now is better. So in some ways our contribution is saying that the multiple center model is necessary in this work that is completely different from what is expected, because movement is not from one point to one point, it's from several points to several points. And also we started working with trying to really go deep into the data to do prediction, do clustering and things like that. Basically that's the outcome at this point. And we're working for closing a paper in the next 1 or 2 months.
Wonderful. Tell us a little bit about your international experience.
Well, I was already in Yahoo Barcelona, so I think that I only go to a different place I was before. As I said in the presentation, this was a very short time, only 8 weeks. So I was working on weekends and everything. The guys treated me well again, and definitely being Yahoo is different because you have this experience of industry that you don't have if you go to another university that is still in an academic setting like CI-PIRE. Well, I have an extra trip to Munich and over there. So I think that is what I can say.
Very good work, very interesting, and very valuable. Thank you for that.